So I'm Sandy. I'm the owner-operator of the Elite Carpet Dry Cleaning Northern Rivers franchise. I offer carpet and rug cleaning and upholstery and mattress cleaning. I've recently had a career change moving into this industry, and before that I spent a lot of years in administration. So I wanted something that got me up from behind a desk, out moving, meeting people, and the Elite franchise certainly offers me that. No 2 days are the same. I'm out on the road in different places within my area and meeting a lot of different people, which I really enjoy. Before I chose the Elite franchise, I investigated a lot of different business options and different franchises. The Elite franchise offered me a work-life balance. It also offered some attractive features of that, being that it's Australian owned by the franchise owners. Our products are also made in Australia, so they're made in our Brisbane warehouse, which is great. It gives us control over our product and its availability, which I think is a really big benefit for us. We also don't have a call centre, so I like the fact that when people call our 13 number, they come directly to me. They talk to me or my team in our local area, so you're not talking to someone who doesn't know where you live. So I also like the fact that the Elite fee structure doesn't penalise me when I want to expand my business. It encourages and supports, so I think that will serve me well in the future as I grow the business. People often, when I come to the door as a female owner-operator, do get a little surprised. Most people don't expect to see a female doing a physical role, such as carpet cleaning, but once I've had a chat to people and explain where I've come from, and most people are really supportive and very positive. So the Elite Northern Rivers franchise has been established in the area for a number of years, so we have a lot of repeat residential and commercial customers. These customers come back to Elite knowing that the process works very well, they get great friendly service, and that we're local. The customers love the fact that there is such a good result at the end of the process. We often have customers who have stains that have been in their carpets for a long time, and they will quite often say, "Oh, don't worry about that, you probably won't get that up." And it's really satisfying to be able to finish a job and that stain's gone, and they are often quite amazed that we're able to shift some very stubborn stains. It's even more satisfying then when you potentially get a call from a new customer who says that they've been talking to a friend or family member who's used the service and have been telling them about how great the process was and how great their carpets or upholstery ended up. So that's very satisfying to have positive word of mouth referrals. We also have products that we can sell directly to our customers, so they can have the benefit of our great products at home with them when we're not available, to clean up spot spills and marks. The customers really like this because they can address stains quickly at home by themselves without having to call us out regularly for small marks and stains. This builds our relationship with them and helps them maintain their own quality on their upholstery or carpets. So I would highly recommend to anyone to purchase an Elite franchise. They offer great support, great products, and it allows you to take control of your own work-life balance. The effort that you put into the business will see you come out with great rewards. So you don't need to have any experience. All the training is provided by head office. I previously had no experience in carpet cleaning and have been given great support and through all aspects of the business.